Kamdar, and I'm from Real Life Trading India. And today's recording is dedicated to one of my coaching students. Her name's Stephanie, and she asked me this wonderful question of how to get the wave counts right. Sometimes that's a really complicated situation when you're looking at a chart and you're saying, is this a wave 1, 2? How do you identify if it is a right kind of wave or if it's a valid wave? Wave counting is an art more than an exact science, in my opinion. And sometimes it's hard to get that wrong. So I just wanted to make this video and show you guys how to count the exact precise waves just by following 3 simple rules. That's it, just 3 simple rules, and you should be able to identify wave counts just like a pro. So let's get started. All right, so we were trading on this day, and I was banking this square on February 1st, and I loved that square made a lower high, and I was banking on taking out this pivot point, this previous pivot point, and going higher. Well, in my calculations, I had assumed this is wave 0, 1, 2, and I wanted to go long above this pivot point. So that would make this wave a 3. Now, number 1 rule in wave counting theory, and this is sometimes if you're just reflecting back upon a wave, a fully completed wave, and you're looking at it, number 1 rule is that wave 3 has to be the largest in any wave pattern to be validated. Wave 2 can't be the largest, neither can wave 4, 5, or 1. So with that being said, we wanted to check and make sure that we weren't going wrong by going long on square and assuming this is a wave 3. Well, how do you do that without having all of these candles come into place? So if you're just trading right over here and you see this dip and you're saying, okay, I want to go long above here, how do you make sure that it is the wave 3? Well, by law, wave 2 generally has to be at 618 retracement of wave 1 and 0. So let's go put some fibs on it and see if that adds up. Yep, fairly close. Actually pretty accurate right over here. So there we go. So this validates my wave count of this being a 0, 1, 2. And then wave 3 should be the longest. So this right now over here would have been a great place of entry on this candle. Granted, it's after 4 3-minute green candles, and it's a little bit scary. That's why we have this retest right after. So, okay, cool. So we're in this trade and we're looking at it, and she says, well, where's wave 4 and how far is it going to go? So now let's go over this. We have our rule number 1, wave 3 being the largest. Rule number 2, wave 2 has to be a retracement of 1 and 0, a 618 retracement of 1 and 0. Now comes rule number 3. Wave 4 typically is a sideways consolidation or a retracement up to about 236 level. So it does not retrace very far down, unlike wave 1 and 2. So wave 4 usually just retraces a tiny little bit. So now let's go put fibs on it, and from wave 2 to 3, and check if it retraced to about 236 level, and then see if we can go higher. Yep, it did. We bounced right off of the 236 level right here. And so then now I've confirmed that a wave 5 is coming. No need to get stopped out over here or scared. We can at least target for a little bit more. Now, granted, we do not know how high wave 5 is going to go. So what I typically like to do is when I'm in a trade like this, I typically like to place my targets a tiny little bit above the end of wave 4. In this scenario, it would have been this candle. and then I would have exited at the top of this candle, or perhaps this candle. Or I could have moved stops or trailed stops. Either which way works. The point is to get higher profits. This, my friend, is a perfect wave count. For those of you that are still confused, I'm going to try to put some wave count on for you guys to show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And after that, we have an ABC correction. But we're not really worried about what happens after that. We just want to look for an entry around the closing above wave 1 and look for an exit soon after wave 4. I mean, the high of wave 3. So anyway, I hope this helps you guys. This can work on any time frame. It doesn't really have to be for a day trade. This could also work phenomenally well for a swing trade. If this video helped you guys, please give us a thumbs up, a like. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fun videos just like this one.